Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can delete your Facebook account. So from your Facebook app here, you have to go to the three-part settings up here. On the three-part settings up here, you just have to scroll down and then you want to go to settings and privacy. Just tap on that. On settings and privacy, tap on settings. On settings here, tap on see more in account center. On here, scroll down and you want to go to personal details. On personal details, go to account ownership and control. On account ownership and control, go to deactivation or deletion. Tap on this and then tap on your current Facebook account that you want to delete. So it'll be this one. And then you can see it'll give us two options here, deactivating or deleting your account. If you deactivate your account, it's temporary, right? So it'll look like it's deleted, but you can get it back anytime. But if you're sure about you want to delete it, just tap on this. And then when you delete your account, you can never ever get it back. So be sure that you know what you're doing. And if you're sure, just click on continue and then your account will be deleted. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.